Sunday, folks. I appreciate you for tuning in for another one. Let's get right into it. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, but mostly hit that thumbs up button. All those things help me. All right, folks. I'm out here at Couchville Lake today. Got my good buddy Phil out here fishing with me. We're gonna have a good time out here, folks. I'm using some different baits today. I got a shaky head tied on. I got a crankbait. What else do I have back here? I got a drop shot and something else. We're gonna figure it out. But I'm out here today to catch some bigger fish. Out here in the lake, you should do that. So we'll see how it goes. Folks, again, appreciate you for tuning in. Let's get to it. All right, folks, so first I'm gonna start out by throwing at this point. Every time I come out here, this is usually where I start at. Good place to be. Fish usually like to sit off of it. Get my shaky head together. This is a KVD, shaky head of some sort. Today I'm gonna be using one of these two colors. This is a finesse cotton candy. It just jumped out at me in the store. And a little June bug color. Got him. All right, got one. Woo, first fish of the day. A little bit of a grind. I will take this little buddy right here. Little yellow bass. Let's get him off of here. Ow, ow. Come here, ow. Open your mouth. Yeah, I gotta pin you down because you're feisty. All right, folks, you see him? A little bit of yellow bass, I think. He smashed that little crankbait up. Peace out, buddy. All right, now, being the little yellow bass hit that crankbait the way he did from the side makes me believe that swim bait may work, but also a good old rattle trap will also work. It ain't deep at all. It's like probably 1.5 feet, 2 feet over here. Kidding? And I wasn't looking. I was over here looking out for a snake. Feel like it was sitting right there in open water too. I get topwater bites when I'm not trying to fish topwater. Live bait, topwater. Deep diving crankbait, topwater. Ned rig, topwater. You just caught something over here. I don't know. I can't even tell if that's a catfish, honestly. It's not rolling anymore. But that's a bass, I think. That's a bass. Yeah. You want to weigh him? You got a scale? Nice. What y'all throwing? Magworms. Magworms? That's what's up. 4 pounds. 4 pounds? That's a nice bass, bro. Congrats, bro. Folks, of course I wasn't recording when I caught this little guy right here on the chatterbait. First little fish of the day. Appreciate him. Peace. Whew, folks, you don't know. You don't know. It's been a long day. For real, crappie? Folks, fish number 2 of the day. Crappie on a chatterbait. And shake. Here we go. Whew. Nice little crappie guy. Appreciate him getting on there. There we go. Peace, buddy. That's 2 species today. Crappie and a bass. This chatterbait is the only thing I've been having success with today, people. Earlier up to Old Hickory with Colin and literally tried almost everything. What's going on, bro? And I've been on the water all day. All right, man. I'll let you admit. Peace. All right, good people. That was a rough day out here fishing, folks. So to start out, I didn't show you this, but I got up at 3:30 in the morning, went out to Old Hickory Lake and fished with Colin on this John boat. I didn't catch one single fish. Needless to say, I wanted to catch something today. So we get off the water at about 12 o'clock. So I drove out here to Couchville Lake and decided to catch some fish. Not a whole bunch of fish, just 2 fish, which you guys saw. A crappie and a largemouth, but hey, that's better than nothing. Folks, sometimes you got those days like that. Comment down below and tell me about your roughest day fishing. Folks, as always, I appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button. All those things help me. Folks, remember, there's a lot of river out there. Catch you on the next boat flip. Peace.